Hello and welcome to CAD channel. In this demonstration, I will explain you how to create this sort of stacked assembly in which you can see here that the nut and bolts are arranged so that these are adjustable. So its height can be varied. Okay. And also I will explain you how to modify the number of fasteners using by modifying the number of holes in these parts. Okay. So I will start from the beginning. I will select assembly and then MMKS assembly design absolute. Okay, so I will first assemble this push part at default position, and then I will add second push part, same part, and I will align it cylindrically, but I will use new constraint of distance so that this bottom surface of the second part will be at clearance of say 30 mm. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, now I will place my assembly fastener using this reference, top surface, the bottom surface. Okay, okay, so I have okay, so yeah, I can change its length from here, because if you have to adjust the distance between the two parts, so there must be some extra length available out there. Okay, you know, I will not pattern the fastener at this stage. I will pattern it later using the access pattern of the hole in the separate parts. Okay, so you can see here that fastener has been assembled. Now I will copy the nut part. Okay, that is available inside this group. I will repeat it, and I will only select the variable reference. So the axis will remain same, and only this surface, this highlighted surface, will get changed. Okay, I will click add and select this surface. You can see the nut has been assembled as well as this surface. Okay, so you can see here that our assembly is and single assembly has been completed. Now I will pattern it so that it will be patterned on these four holes. Okay, but these two nuts are assembled separately from this group, so we will select it using control and then drag it to this group, so that now this group has all the components available which we will pattern. Okay, so we will go to group pattern. You can see here this reference pattern, because these holes belong to the individual part. Okay, so if we have created these holes using axis pattern inside the part, then it will get referenced. Okay, so you can see here that the fasteners has been assembled here. Now what if you want to use 6 fastener set instead of 4? So you can set here to be 6. Angle has been distributed among 360 degree. It is okay for now. Now you have to regenerate the assembly in order to get it updated. Okay, so you can see here that the fastener assembly has been changed from 4 to 6. So I guess you have learned something from this video. So if you want to learn more videos like this, so Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.